Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an entertainer's dream. Come home to this thoughtfully designed property in the ever-growing residential community of Bellevue Heights, St. Catherine. This stately home features dedicated living, dining and family rooms, a massive kitchen and laundry area all on the ground floor, along with a guest room and a full bathroom. The first floor enjoys another 5 bedrooms with built-in closets, sliding mirror doors, and 3 bathrooms. 2 of those rooms are considered masters because of their grand size and private ensuite bathrooms. The main master suite is extremely spacious and has a private balcony, 2 walk-in closets, a jacuzzi tub fit for two. Immediately behind the main house is where the party begins. The building features a full 1 bedroom apartment, which can be used as a helper's quarters or rental. There is a gym, a bar, a bathroom, and a large rooftop patio perfect for entertaining. This beautifully designed, well kept property awaits a discerning buyer. Let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is Jamaican 65 million or US $422,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.